The present we are doing 2025 January session, all papers, all shift papers, topic wise. This problem belongs to basic mathematics. So every year we can see a problem from the basic mathematics topic. So basic maths means it consists like general properties, and we can solve these equations. So look at the solution part of this problem. So it was given e power 5 log x base e, and log x has a square, and plus 3 equal to x power 8. We can replace log x base 3. Take logarithm on both sides. Take log on both sides. If you take log on both sides, then it will be log of e power 5 into log x base e whole square plus 3. So log is applied on either sides. So according to logarithmic property, the power, actually this applied log has base e. Okay, so therefore 5 log x base e whole square plus 3 equal to, you can write 8 log x base e. So now we will replace log x base e with t. Then it will be 5t square plus 3 equal to 8t. Understood? Now we are moving. That means we are going to create a quadratic equation to solve this problem. And we know 5 3s are 15, and 5 and 3 can be used as factors. Then 5t square minus 5t minus 3t plus 3 equal to 0. Take 5t common, t minus 1 minus 3 common, t minus 1 equal to 0. Again, t minus 1 of 5t minus 3 is equal to 0. That means either t equal to 1 or 5t minus 3 equal to 0. So actually t value is equal to log x base c equal to 1, and 5 into log x base c, I'm just replacing t value with log x base c. So x is equal to, you can use Scorpion technique, then e power 1, and here log x base e equal to 3 by 5, and x is equal to, you can write e power 3 by 5. So what he is asking that the product of all solutions. So let us say this is x1 and x2. He is asking product equal to x1 into x2, e power 1 into e power 3 by 5, 1 plus 3 by 5, e power 8 by 5. So e power 8 by 5, first option is correct for this question. Okay. Okay, moving to next problem. Next topic is quadratic equations. In quadratic equation, you can see in all shifts total of 6 problems you can see. So the first problem, the number of solutions of the equation 9 by x minus 9 by root x plus 2 multiplied by 2 by x minus 7 by root x plus 3 equal to 0. So number of solutions he is asking. So the options are 2, option B was 3, option C is 1, and option D, which is equal to 4. So here you can see two different equations. So root x you can see everywhere. So what you gonna take? Let equate individual as t's, individual values as t's. Let root x equal to t. Then automatically x is equal to t square. Okay. Then it will be the equation, given equation will be 9 by t square minus 9 by t plus 2 multiplied by 2 by t square minus 7 by t plus 3 and is equal to 0. Okay. So what you can see, yeah. Again, you can replace these equations 1 by t square or take 1 by t as a. Okay. 1 by t as a, then automatically 1 by t square will be a square. Now, this equation is converted as 9a square minus 9a plus 2 and 2a square minus 7a plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay. So try to figure it out as factors of these two individual equations. So 9 twos are 18. We have to get 9. So 6 and 3 are valid factors. So you can write 9a square minus 6a minus 3a plus 2. And for here, 2 threes are 6. You can take 6 and 1, minus 6 and minus 1. So 2a square minus 6a minus a plus 3 equal to 0. Now from the first two terms, take 3a, then it will be 3a minus 2. Take 1 only, minus 1. Then again 3a minus 2. Keep brackets. And from the second factor, take 2a, then a minus 3 and minus 1, a minus 3, you can write the next factors. So of course it is 3a minus 2 and 3a minus 1 and a minus 3 and 2a minus 1 equal to 0. So from this, each value should be equal to 0. So a equal to, you will get 2 by 3, 1 by 3 from the second factor and 3 from the third factor and 1 by 2 from the fourth factor. Now we will replace a means 1 by t equal to 2 by 3, 1 by 3, 3 and 1 by 2. And also 1 by, what is t means? Root x. So write down t value root x. So therefore it is 2 by 3, 1 by 3, 3 and 1 by 2. Squaring on overall, you can see 1 by x is equal to 4 by 9, 1 by 9, 9 and 1 by 4. If you reciprocate, then you can see 9 by 4, 9, 1 by 9 and 4. So total of 4 values you will get as a answer. So write down number of solutions equal to 4. Okay, so which option is correct? Option D is correct. Next, second problem. Second problem, it says, if the set of all A belongs to R, that means A is any real number for which the equation 2x square, plus 2x square plus A minus 5 of x plus 15 equal to 3a. 3a, where a is any real number, has no real roots. This equation has no real roots. So is the interval alpha beta and x is equal to is the interval alpha comma beta, and capital X is equal to, they defined another set, x belongs to Z, means any integer, slash alpha is less than x less than beta, and sigma of x belongs to capital X square. X belongs to capital X and x square equal to how much? X belongs to capital X square equal to how much? They said has no real solutions. No real solutions means we need to identify first the real part of the value. Okay. So first we will take sigma x square, they are asking. Has no real roots means has no real roots. So what it means has no real roots means you can take, you can identify the x interval. One minute. No real roots means delta is negative. So from the equation 2x square plus a minus 5 into x plus 15 minus 3a equal to 0. A is 2 and b is, of course, a minus 5. And c value is 15 minus 3a. So what is delta means? B square minus 4ac is negative. B square means a minus 5 whole square minus 4 into 2 into c means 15 minus 3a negative. Okay, so try to simplify this entire equation. So expand it, a minus 5 whole square, a square minus 10a plus 25 minus 8 15s. 4 15s, 8 5s are 40, 4, 120. Okay, minus of minus plus, 8 3s are 24a is negative. So therefore, a square plus 14a, we subtract 125 and 25, you will get 5. 11 2 is 95 less than 0. So just checking for the factors. You can take 19 5s minus 95. 19 5s you can take plus 19 and minus 5. So a square plus 19a minus 5a minus 95 less than 0. So take a of a plus 19 minus 5 of a plus 19, which is less than 0. That means a plus 19 of a minus 5 is less than 0. So that means it lies between, a value lies between 5 minus 19 less than a less than 5. So we got a particular interval that belongs to a. Okay. So that is the answer. Minus 19, open interval minus 19 comma 5. Okay. And after that, what we will do? A value minus 19 comma 5 it lies. And interval he is talking about alpha and beta. Okay, x lies between alpha and beta, so that you can configure only integers you should take. We have to create a set. That means a belongs to alpha beta, they said. A belongs to alpha beta, they said. That means minus 19 and 5. And also later he configured that alpha beta with x. Okay. So what we will do, we are again writing 19 less than x less than 5. Fine. And he is asking x square. So it is nothing but how many positive values you will get, x values. Positive values, if you see, 1, 2, 3, 4. And negative values, if you see, then minus 1. Okay, 0 is also there. I forget to write that. 0, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, and so on, minus 18. So these are the, because open interval, no? So we are not have any permission to take that minus 19 and plus 5. Okay. So now we have to configure this sigma x square we need to calculate. So if you check the positive numbers, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, all values should be squared only. Okay. And plus not only that, minus 1 square, plus minus 2 square, and so on, plus minus 18 square we have to do. And here you can use the formula sigma n square. Sigma n square is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. So you can use this formula. So only 4 numbers we have. So 4 into 4 plus 1 into, and 2 4s are 8 plus 1 divided by 6 plus, and here up to 18 numbers is there. So 18 into 19, 18 2s are 36 and 37 by 6. So now calculate these numbers. So 2 table, it goes to 3 times and 2 times, and this cancel 9 in 3 times. 2 5s are 10, 10 3s are 30, it is summa, and this got cancelled 3 times directly. We have to calculate 37 19s. 7 9s are 56. 3 1s are 3. 9 3s are 27 plus 7, 34. And 6, 39, 3, 696. And it is multiplied by 3 again. Okay, 37 19s and 3. 6 3s are 18, 6 9s are 27 and 28, 18 to 20. So we got 2109, 30 plus 2109. And if you are adding these two numbers, 2139. So this will be the answer of this question, 2139. The options are given. The fourth option is correct for this question. Okay. Next, moving to next problem. Problem number 3. The sum of the squares of all roots of this equation, x square, the sum of the roots of equation x square plus modulus 2x minus 3 minus 4 equal to 0 is. Okay, options are saying like 3 times of 3 minus root 2. Option B, 6 times of 3 minus root 2. Option C, 6 times of 2 minus root 2. And option D is 3 times of 2 minus root 2. Okay, let us solve this equation. So first you can write x is more than or equal to 3 by 2. So here you can see 2x minus 3 under modulus. So what is the root of this number? X is equal to 3 by 2. So if x is below of this 3 by 2, then this one equal to minus of 2x minus 3. It will act like that. If it is x is more than or equal to 3 by 2, it will be plus times of 2x minus 3. Okay. So sum of the roots he is asking. First we will consider greater than or equal to 3 by 2. And then we can proceed to solve this equation. Let x is greater than or equal to 3 by 2. Then it will be x square. And it is positive in this case. Okay. We already discussed that modulus function nature. Okay, now moving to solve this quadratic equation. So x square plus 2x, how much it is? It's a plus 3. Why it is plus 3? Okay, minus 7. Minus 7 equal to 0. So solve this equation. So we don't have any factors. So I am approaching like minus b plus r minus root of b square minus 4ac type. Minus 2 plus r minus root of b square minus 4ac. Also that 78 by 2a, 2 into 1. So minus 2 plus r minus it is root 32 upon 2. So minus 2 plus r minus 16 root 2, 16 2s are 32. You can cancel 2, minus 1 plus r minus 2 root 2. So we have two different values here. And only 2 root 2, only 2 root 2 minus 1 is accepted. Why? Why this one only accepted? Because x value, we already talked about this. How much is 2 root 2? So root 2 means 1.414. And if you multiply with 2, it will be 8 to 8.2. And 2 root 2, if you take minus both, for example, take minus 1 minus 2 root 2, that means minus 1 minus 2.828, it will be minus 3.828. Actually, this value is x, right? But our consideration is x is below of 3 by 2. That means, greater than or equal to 3 by 2 this case. So that's why x value, but how much we are getting here? Minus 3. So 3 by 2 means 1.5. It is x must be more than 1.5. So that's why it is avoided this case. Okay. What about this one? Why you are accepting this? Because 2 root 2 means 2.828 minus 1. If you do subtraction, you will get 1.828. It will be accepted value more than 1.5. So that's why we are accepting this root. I mean x value. Okay, and then next we are discussing one more case left, right? What is that case? X is below 3 by 2. X is below 3 by 2. In this case, the equation become x square minus 2x because we should multiply with minus of 2x minus 3. Then it will be plus 3 minus 4 equal to 0. Therefore, it is x square minus 2x minus 1 equal to 0. Again, solve in the same way. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. It is 2 plus or minus root 8 by 2. That means 2 plus or minus 2 root 2 by 2. And it will be cancel 2 table, 1 plus or minus root 2. So is both are accepted or not? We will calculate. 1 plus 1.414 and 1 minus 1.414. So it will be 2.414, one root, and another root is, if you subtract 1 from this, and how much you will get? Minus 0.41. Only 1 minus root 2 is accepted this case. Okay. Why? Because it is below 3 by 2. 2.414 is above 3 by 2. So that's why it is not accepted. You can understand that concept. And now they are asking sum of the roots. So let's calculate sum of the roots. Sum of the roots, we accepted root is 2 root 2 minus 1 plus and 1 minus root 2. If you are adding both of the numbers, sum of the squares of the numbers, sum of squares of roots. Okay, square it and add it together. It will be 8 plus 1 minus 4 root 2. It will be 1 plus 2 minus 2 root 2. So 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 1, 10. And 2 plus 2, 12 minus 6 root 2. So you can take 6 common factor or take 6 root 2 also, no problem. Root 2 minus 1. Which option is correct? 6 root 2. Okay, he leave that. Okay, option C is correct. 6 of 2 minus root 2. 6 2s are 12 minus 6 root 2. Option C is correct for this question. Next, the product of all rational roots of this equation, x square the product of all rational roots of the equation x square minus 9x plus 11 whole square minus of x minus 4 multiplied by x minus 5 equal to 3. And the options are 4. Option 2 is 21. Option 3 is 38. 28. And option 4 is 7. Okay. Now we will take one of the value as t for easy solving. And then we will figure it out. We going to try to multiply that 2 factors. Then we will see how much it is. X square minus 9x plus 11 whole square. If you try to multiply these two things, x square minus 9x plus 20 equal to 3. So let x square minus 9x plus 11 take this one as t, then it will be t square minus, if you are adding both sides, x square minus 9x plus 11 plus 9, if you are adding both sides, then this fact is t plus 9 is equal to 3. Okay, this one. So t square minus t minus 9 minus 3 equal to 0. T square minus t minus 12 equal to 0. So minus 12 will be factorized as 4 threes, minus 4 and plus 3. And then t square minus 4t plus 3t minus 12 is equal to 0. Take t common, t minus 4 plus 3 common, t minus 4 equal to 0. So t minus 4 of t plus 3 equal to 0. That means we are getting t minus 4 is equal to 0 or t plus 3 is equal to 0. T stands for x square minus 9x plus 11 minus 4 is equal to 0. And x square minus 9x plus 11 plus 3 is equal to 0. So therefore, it is x square minus 9x plus 7 equal to 0. X square minus 9x plus 14 equal to 0. We got two different quadratic equations. And he's asking that calculate the product of all values. So individually equate it to 0 and try to solve it for the roots. So in this case, actually look at the question, only he is asking rational roots. We don't want irrational roots. Okay. So here if you see delta is b square minus 4ac. 4 sevens are 28. Is it perfect root or not? Please check. So 81 minus 28 is 3. So if you see the last digit 3, it is not a perfect square. You can leave it. Here you will get irrational. Of course, sorts you will get irrational roots. I'm not solving that. And the 14, yeah, we can do 7 twos minus minus. Oh, of course, 7 and 2 are roots. And what is the problem? Product of. Product means 7 twos are 14. 7 twos, what is saying? The product of all rational numbers, 14 only. Okay, product is 40. Why the options are like that? Let me see, check the one time. Oh, sorry, first option is 40. I wrote one. Option 1 is correct. 14 is the correct answer. Next, fifth question. The equation a of b minus c into x square a of b minus c into x square plus b of c minus a into x plus c of a minus b equal to 0 has equal roots. Has equal roots. Where a plus c is equal to 15 and b equal to 36 upon 5. Then a square plus c square equal to how much? Okay, this is integer type question. Okay, see. So we already know that one formula. So what is the formula? If ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. If a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then roots are 1 comma c by a. If a minus b plus c, if you do this and it will be 0, then the roots are minus 1 comma minus c by a. This is the conceptual point. Here we are going to use first rule, this rule. We will check whether it is equal to 0 or not, then we will see the solution. So what is capital A here? AB minus AC. What is B? BC minus AB. What is C? AC minus BC. If you try to find out this value, look at this, AB cancel, AC cancel, BC cancel, 0. That means 1 comma capital C, capital A are roots. Okay. He said they are equal roots. Equal roots means 1 is equal to C by A. That means A is equal to C. What is capital A? Look at that. AB minus AC, capital A. C is AC minus AC. And okay, we have to use next these two values. And here you can zigzag the terms and try to figure it out. AB plus, I am moving this, AB plus BC is equal to AC, AC plus AC. Okay. So B taken common. A plus C is equal to 2AC. And A plus C is 15, B is 36 by 5. Okay, write down the values. And 2AC. Okay. We will calculate product from this value. These two got cancelled. 18 and this got cancelled 3 times. Equal to AC. 18 threes are how much? 8 is 24. 54 equal to AC. So A plus C. What is the question? A square, C square. Okay, we need A square, C square. A plus C, we know that how much? A plus C is 15. And AC is 54. Now we need A square plus C square equal to how much? You can write A plus C whole square minus 2 into AC. Okay, A plus C is 15 square minus 2 into 54. This is what? 225 minus 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. And how much it is? Okay, 25 8 is how much? 25 8 is 17. 117. Yeah, 117 is the answer for this question. Okay. 117 is the correct answer.
Okay.
And last problem, you can try this. Alpha naught, beta naught be the distinct roots of the quadratic equation. Distinct roots of the quadratic equation, 2x square plus cos theta into x minus 1 equal to 0. And theta belongs to 0 comma 2 pi open interval. If m and if small m and capital M are minimum and maximum values of small m is minimum, maximum value, alpha theta power 4 plus beta theta power 4. Actually, alpha beta roots the equation in theta. That is the meaning of that alpha theta and beta theta, not more than that. So alpha and beta power 4 maximum minimum values and the maximum values of alpha power 4 beta power 4, then okay, then 16 times of m plus capital M is equal to question mark. Okay, now try to solve this equation. So first we will solve the quadratic equation. So consider that equation 2x square plus cos theta into x minus 1 equal to 0. First we will figure it out how much is